Hi, everybody. My name is Horacio. I've been using a sulfur soap that for about 3 years now, and the soap is good for my acne and takes care of the acne itself. But it's at the same time made my skin really dry at times, and especially during the winter and a lot of the dry seasons. Um, Now that I've been using SkinKick for about a month now, I noticed that my skin is a lot more smoother, has a lot more moisture in it that I didn't have prior to using the product itself. I've been using the exfoliant cleanser and on a more regular basis. And even before using it, I always did try to keep care of my skin. But compared to using SkinKick now, I've been noticing that I have a lot more moisture in my skin, and my skin feels a lot healthier. Even when I make facial expressions, I don't feel a pull on my skin and all that kind of stuff. So I would say SkinKick has definitely revolutionized the way my skin and my face feels, even whenever I am applying it in the mornings and in the evenings. I recommend SkinKick for anybody that's been struggling with acne for a while or has been for their whole life, and also anybody that would like to level up their skin routine and have a healthier skin. Definitely recommend SkinKick. I'm Horacio. I SkinKick it.